Hi, it's Gina with WTI. I love organizing things, and that extends to my husband's side of the closet. So I cannot stand his ties being all jumbled together and falling on the floor. So what I got was this Tenby tie holder. It's really easy to use. You can just slide the ties on to the little slots. It holds 20 ties per holder, and it comes in a 2-pack, so up to 40 ties. I have not found that they fall off of the rack at all. In fact, they stay on really well. They hold each other kind of in, and they're just really easy to put on. My husband doesn't like to untie his ties very frequently, so you can either put them in tied or untied. Either way works just fine, and it's super easy to load and then just put right into the closet. So if you're looking for an affordable solution to help organize the closet, make things look tidier, then I recommend this tie holder, and that's my point of view.